This thing will not. Oh, wow.
I can't go on this way, not when I have your heart. I wanna tell this life I've led. God, what a wicked man I've been. But ain't nothing gonna break my stride. Ain't nothing gonna slow me down. Oh no, when there's no one disapproving.
Oh my God.
Well, just got this new body. I might as well destroy it here at the Norman, Oklahoma BMX park. I just couldn't think of a better way to break her in. It's a little cold, a little windy, a little wet, but you know what? It's perfect. It's sunny. Pretty sick out here. Oh, yeah. And that's how you ruin a brand new body. Woof.
That's something like a backflipping machine.
I think it is. I'm a backflip by y'all. I mean, I thought you were gonna. Oh, nice!
Do like a big transfer.
Oh. Oh. Alex already out with the spur gear. That's cool. Oh. Oh shit. Ah. Ah. Alex. Oh. Oh! Oh my God. Whoo! Close. Nice whip though. Oh. God, dude. Nice, dude. Oh, so that we didn't nail that one.
Like right at the lip.
Oh. This thing will not. Oh, wow.